I, Shahid Ahmed, a student of Ajmal Senior Secondary School, Hojai, and I am delighted to be a part of the institution. I have secured 92.4% from commerce stream, and I am very thankful to my teachers. First of all, Alhamdulillah, that today we are gathered here to celebrate this special occasion. This felicitation program is not about results and achievements, but also about hard work, dedication, patience in the endless sleepless nights. I would like to thank my teachers who guided me with knowledge and motivation. Also to my parents whose supports and duas became my strength in my every difficult situation. Once again, congratulations to everyone present here, and may Allah bless us with good knowledge, better future, success. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
I thank Shahid Ahmed, so fluent, so confident. Give a good round of applause for him.